Hmm?
Black and red are your favorite color?
Mm-hmm. All right, guys, we're back. We got Phoenix here, and she wants to make some slime, right?
And Bray's doesn't really even play Fortnite.
And Bray's doing what?
Playing Fortnite.
Okay, so show them what you're gonna do, Fee. Hey. So first, we're gonna put the glue, but I think what we should do is just take this off. Okay.
The glue.
Put the glue in first.
The whole thing?
Yeah, the whole thing, okay? Fee's going crazy, guys. Now, I don't really remember how to make this, so I'm really just going off of what I remember. Okay, guys, and the next thing we're going to use is some shaving cream.
I can do it.
Fee wants to spray it. Just push that circle button. Okay.
Can you do it?
I'll do it. Okay, guys. Okay.
It looks like whipped cream. Miss a little bit more.
Okay. Okay. So this is what we're gonna do.
Wait, we need some activator.
Not
and
yet.
some food coloring. Can I put this in?
Not yet.
We about to put all of these in?
Looks like we might need more. Oh, we need a little bit of water, guys. A little bit of water. Luckily, I have some water right here, so we're just gonna use a little bit of this.
Hey, that's Mommy's.
I hope that works. She's gonna stir it up for us, guys.
Can I put this in now?
No, you gotta put the stir it up first. Hold this. Hold the camera. Okay, guys. Fuse's gonna hold the camera while I do this. Now they said you need some
Activator.
but I don't think we really need it. So I'm just gonna put a little drop.
Okay. Now mix it up so it can be extra sticky.
Put it right here.
And fluffy, because Ray said we can make it fluffy. So.
Can they see this on the camera, Fee?
Yeah. Yeah. See, Daddy.
Okay. I'm trying to think. What else do we need, Bray?
Put the detergent in.
Yeah.
You can hold it
And
now.
then I'll put a little bit of
You
water.
can hold this now. I can put this in.
What's the best? Food coloring.
Yeah, but it's not sticky yet.
Did you get the glue?
Yeah, I think we need more glue, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in there.
I'm gonna put this in.
Okay.
Can I put the food coloring?
2 drops. That's enough.
Can I put
Wait, you
one
said
drop
2
of green
drops.
too?
Yeah, 1 drop of green. Okay, Fee. Now 1 drop of green.
Can I do that one too?
Let Bray do it.
Look at that blue. It looks like blue.
Now it's gonna be like a teal color.
Wait, I mean a little bit.
No, Fee, we already did that one.
Okay.
There's 2
Can I mix?
green and 2 blue. Yeah, go ahead and mix it, Bray. Stir it up.
It's about to be blue.
Well, guys, did y'all see that? It looked like a smiley face at first.
No, it looks like a tie. Like,
Okay, guys. I don't know if it's slimy just yet. Does it look like slime? Almost.
Too much shaving cream.
maybe
Oh yeah, starting I think you need to put more detergent.
I don't know about that.
Daddy,
Detergent makes it activate.
Daddy, I need
Okay, well, let's see. Okay.
Daddy, I need some more of that.
Come on, baby.
Okay. Can I mix
Come
it?
on, Bray.
Can I mix it?
Hmm?
Can I mix it, Bray?
Is this gonna be Fee slime?
Wait.
Everybody's.
This is so
Fee, you actually mix it. Can you mix it
Daddy,
first?
it's so weird. This is so weird.
Yeah, it's red, but it has a yellow top. I don't know, it's crazy.
It's so weird. It's so
Well, actually, it's yellow,
yeah, but it's weird.
but it looks red. This is the red one right here, guys.
So weird.
That's the yellow one.
This looks so sticky, see?
That's the red one. Here, Brad, you be the, you record it. Don't drop my phone in the
Slime.
Feel that's enough.
Ooh, this looks like red cherry with a yellow at the top. Can I stir it?
Wait, Fee.
It looks like smiley face or something.
Okay. Now I feel like we need a couple of more squirts of some soap.
Soap? soap that?
Yeah.
It's no good with some soap.
Now, guys, this slime is very, very fluffy.
And sticky.
Yeah, it's supposed to be fluffy.
Can I
That's how
put
you
some
make
more?
fluffy slime.
It's so heavy. Ask
I like
her,
this
Daddy.
one.
That's right.
It smells so good.
No, Fee. It's gone. You gotta get everything from the sides, guys.
Can I do it? Can I do it, Daddy?
Wait, Fee. Let's put a little bit of red in there
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Right now
for
looks
Valentine's
like
Day,
blood.
because today is Valentine's Day.
It looks like
Looks
red.
like blood.
Yeah, I already said that to Bray.
Looks like raspberry juice. Yeah, today's Valentine's Day
And we're
Today's
making
Valentine's
it
Day, so we're getting it all
red.
in 2019.
No,
Mhm.
Bray.
It is 2019, baby girl. Oh, guys, I know. We have one more missing ingredient. Hold on, let me
It
get
looks like pink.
Keep it there, Bray.
So guys, it looks like pink. So let me start. I have to do what Daddy did. A little bit more red.
No, Fee, no more red. Only Daddy can put the
I
food
know.
coloring in.
Bacon. Huh? Okay, guys, I have one more ingredient. I forgot the baking soda. So we're going to sprinkle some baking soda, okay? We'll take one big pinch.
I'm gonna help you, Daddy.
No, Fifi, I got it. It's okay.
Okay.
She loves to help, guys. She loves to help Daddy out, right?
Yes.
But I already did it all, so she doesn't need to help. Let's stir it and see if this makes it slimy. Oh, yeah, guys. That turned the slime up.
Okay.
Maybe a little bit more.
Yeah. A little bit more.
And one more
It
scoop.
looks like pink.
Now, guys, this doesn't look like a lot of slime.
Daddy,
but this pan is very big.
Daddy, it looks like pink.
So what we're gonna do is,
It looks like pink, Daddy.
Fee, can you hold my phone tight and not drop it, please?
I know, but it looks like pink.
Like there's some on the sides.
But it's okay. You
Almost
hold
there.
it. But you hold it. That's okay. But can you hold it?
Wait,
No, Bray has to go open the door. Go see what that is, Bray. Let me know who that is.
Hold it,
Hold on,
Daddy.
Mommy has it.
Hold it.
Who is it?
Bray, hold it.
Mister.
Extra.
I'll stir, guys, because y'all, Fee, you're supposed to, Bray, record this, please. Guys, sorry about that. Bray's gonna record it.
Tay, come in here. Come here, Tay.
Looks like it's almost
Tay has
finished,
to
guys.
be. Tay has to be in the video too. So let me stir, Daddy. It looks like some powdery slime.
That's white powder substance, which is
It looks like
baking soda.
powdery filled slime because it looks like it.
You got it, Bray?
Yeah,
This
I was showing them the baking soda.
Daddy, this is so
All
weird.
right, guys.
Look, Daddy,
We're
it's so weird.
stirring.
It's so weird, Daddy.
It is? Mm-hmm.
Yeah, no this.
Mm-hmm.
So very weird.
Guys, this is a lot of slime.
Can I miss? I want to pick some
And I
more.
think we have to put it in the refrigerator, right?
No. I want to pick some more baking soda.
Wait, Fee, I don't think it needs any more baking soda.
Fee, your hands
did.
gonna get messy.
No, it doesn't, baby girl.
Can I?
Fee says it needs more baking soda, guys.
Can I put it in my hand?
Fee wants to put it in her hands, guys. You got that everywhere, Fee. You're supposed to do that. Okay, Bray. Let's see. Okay, I see it getting thick.
Wait, that's my feet.
I think we should put it in the fridge though.
Okay, guys, we're going to put it in the refrigerator, and we'll do our video 2 of how the slime comes out. We got to keep it in there for 30 minutes, okay?
That would take some hours, Daddy.
All right, guys. Well, actually, it takes 30 minutes. But all right, guys, we'll see you in a little bit. Peace.